good. Looking like it's ready to start waking up for spring. And then I've been cutting trees in plot 2. And today we're just taking a bunch of these logs out of here, a bunch of eastern white pine, and I've been carting them down to the beginning of the driveway, and I got them all yarded up down there. So that's just to clear up the space. And then when I'm ready to mill them into the first siding for the market garden shed here, and then later on go towards the barn build. So yeah, let's take a walk, go check out what's going on. So now we're gonna get a little closer look. I've taken all the good logs, like I said, out of here and begin yarding them up now where they're gonna sit till they get milled. Exciting news. And up ordering a sawmill, I got sick of chainsaw milling and just figured we got a big project in mind. Gonna do a barn over this side next to the driveway. We'll touch back further on that later, but for now we got to get this really knocked out so we can get the raised beds in here and wood chip pathways and get all that squared away. And then following down there where all those logs are, that's gonna be the start of our tree rows. So once I clean up this landing zone, I'll be dropping a few more of these trees down here, about 7 more pines, and then I got like 3 oaks I gotta drop, and that'll make way for those tree rows with the pastured alleyways in between. We're gonna run the poultry through there. So, a lot going on. It was looking like a mess a couple weeks ago, or even a week ago, and now we've kind of cleaned something up. It's starting to look pretty good. So on the other front, still maple season here, and actually if you come over here, I think the sap's just starting to run today. Just warming up about 12 degrees out this morning, but now it's kind of warmed up. I think it's about 25. So some of these trees in the sun are just starting to flow again. But honestly, today's kind of a welcome reprieve down. I have to go around and collect sap and deal with boiling it and everything. I love doing that, but check out other projects that are a little more pressing. Right here, right next to us, and we're gonna we got that greenhouse that we're gonna put in here. So it's a 9x14 Gothic arch greenhouse. That'll go in here, and then we can do all of our starts in there and move them right over to the market garden. So that's the transplant progression there. And then around this, we're gonna have a bunch of perennial, some woody plants, and then Lindsay has some flowers and things like that for pollinators that are gonna go in here. And then we've actually decided too, we're gonna take back some of the lawn here. We gotta smooth this out anyway, leading up to the stone wall. But we're gonna have like a tea garden here that you can walk through, and then you go down the stairs into the main market garden. So that will bump out here, and then obviously when we continue plot 2, we'll continue the stone wall. It's going to jog in close to this trail and then head down towards those the property line there. So yeah, it's exciting to see come to fruition. It's a lot of work, and sometimes you get a little caught up in whether it's progressing quick enough or you can't see where it's going to go, but we're getting there slowly but surely. We're over here, and this is a little key pond we have below the apple orchard. A lot of runoff comes from the backyard, and some of the downspouts come down. So we basically have this as a catchment and a detention pond for a lot of water. That water, like the other day with the snow melting, this thing was filled up to the top, and then as the time progresses, it slowly filters down. It seeps in lower in the ground, so it just slows down all this water, so we're not shooting it down off the side of this hill, eroding things, and hopefully it's making its way and replenishing some of the plants can get it, or the aquifer down below, rather than discharging it off our property as quick as we can.